EDUSOFT ROBOTIX. Comprehensive standalone robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT ROBOTIX. In this tutorial, we are going to create a weather monitoring station prototype. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an LCD, a DHT11, a potentiometer, a resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Place the LCD and potentiometer on the breadboard. Use jumper wires to connect the LCD to the Arduino. Connect the VSS and VDD pins to the negative and positive power rails of the breadboard. Connect the VO pin to the potentiometer and RS pin to the digital pin 7 on the Arduino. Connect the other two terminals of the potentiometer to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard. Connect the RW pin to the negative power rail and the E pin to the digital pin 6. Connect the D4, D5, D6 and D7 pins to the digital pins 5, 4, 3, and 2. Connect one end of the resistor to the LED anode and the other end to the positive power rail. Connect the LED cathode to the negative power rail. Connect the DHT11 to the Arduino. Connect the VCC and GND pins to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard. Connect the data pin to the digital pin 8. Connect the 5V and GND pins of the Arduino to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard. Connect the Arduino to the computer using the USB cable to upload the code. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. This program will allow us to print the temperature and humidity in the environment on the LCD. You can download this code from the video description or visit our official website for more technical support. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. The output shall look like this.